Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Valdez. I will be doing my field placement at a state agency. The agency specifically works with children and families who have Medicaid or no insurance. The agency is really the central agency for families with children that have serious mental health and behavioral issues. They receive referrals from a lot of different entities that may include school, the parents or caregivers, the court system. It really is the central place for families to get a higher level of care that they may need for their child other than just taking them to the office for therapy services. So some of my expectations from the agency is really just to learn about the intake process. Once children are identified that they need more assistance, kind of what the process looks like, all the different channels that it goes through. My understanding is that people will initially meet with the families to gather a lot of information that's necessary to determine what level of service that the child and the family may need. So I think I'll be able to really practice some of the skills that I learned in the other courses, specifically how to do a biopsychosocial, the genograms, those kinds of things. I think I would be most excited about is learning something new and just networking with the different staff and agencies to get to know people because I think life is all about who you know. Some of my concerns may be having to work with families that are in crisis and how to manage sometimes difficult family interactions. And my plan to manage some of my excitement and concerns is really just not to be afraid to ask for clarification or ask for assistance from a staff member there. And also, I thought it might be helpful to role play, like if I know that I've encountered a situation, how might somebody else handle it? Just to kind of, learn different techniques of how to provide, I guess it would be crisis intervention. I look forward to meeting all of you and learning about your field placements. So take care.